Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Akko MU01 Joy of Life, a 65% mechanical keyboard that's making waves with its unique design and features. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the stunning walnut wooden case. It gives the keyboard a premium, sophisticated look and a feel that sets it apart from the typical plastic or aluminum builds. The wood grain is beautiful, and it adds a touch of warmth to any desk setup. This keyboard isn't just about looks, though. It boasts a compact 68-key layout, striking a great balance between functionality and space saving. You get all the essential keys without sacrificing too much desk real estate. It's perfect for gamers and typists who want a clean and efficient setup. The Akko MU01 offers versatile connectivity options, supporting 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections. This makes it easy to switch between devices, whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet. The wireless performance is solid, with no noticeable lag during gaming or typing. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot swappable design. This means you can easily replace the switches without soldering, allowing you to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard to your liking. Whether you prefer linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the Akko MU01 gives you the freedom to experiment and find your perfect typing experience. The keycaps are made of high-quality PBT material with a dye sublimation printing process. PBT keycaps are known for their durability and resistance to shine, ensuring that your keycaps will look great for years to come. The dye sublimation printing ensures that the legends won't fade over time, even with heavy use. The Joy of Life color scheme is vibrant and eye-catching, adding a playful touch to the keyboard's overall aesthetic. The Akko MU01 also features RGB backlighting, which can be customized with various effects and colors. The lighting is bright and even, adding to the keyboard's visual appeal. You can control the lighting effects using Akko's software, which is user-friendly and intuitive. Typing on the Akko MU01 is a pleasure. The keyboard has a solid and sturdy feel, thanks to the wooden case. The keycaps have a slightly textured surface, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The switches are smooth and responsive, making typing feel effortless. The Akko MU01 is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems, making it a versatile choice for any user. It comes with all the necessary accessories, including a keycap puller, a switch puller, and a USB cable. Overall, the Akko MU01 Joy of Life is a fantastic mechanical keyboard that offers a unique combination of style, performance, and customization options. Its walnut wooden case, hot swappable design, PBT dye sub keycaps, and versatile connectivity make it a standout choice in the 65% keyboard market. If you're looking for a keyboard that's both beautiful and functional, the Akko MU01 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.